Hey, beautiful people. I just got in from running errands and like just being busy and stuff throughout the day. And so now it's time to cook. Yeah, come with me and watch me cook. So yeah, I could order pizza. I could go out to enjoy pizza at a restaurant, but I've had too many bad experiences. And who got money to waste? Yeah, right. So anyway, let me share my bad experiences with y'all. Just a couple of them. So there were too many of them with when we would order pizza, and when the pizza came to us, you can tell that the pizza had been sitting out and all they did was just rewarm it. Who has time for that? No. And then I went out to have pizza with a friend. They brought my pizza to me, and I took a bite of a slice, and there was hair in the pizza. There was hair baked in the cheese and the crust of the pizza. I was grossed out. The peoples, one offered me a free dessert, but I was just over it. And this video is brought to you by Oils and Bars soaps. Oils and Bars oat milk and guava soaps are made with real skin-soothing guava and moisturizing oat milk. Get you some Oils and Bars soaps and say bye to dry skin.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
I cook my food at home when I have a taste for something. I know that my hands are impeccably clean. My dishes are clean. My kitchen is clean and bleached and all the things. I can season it the way I want to. I can put as much cheese on it as I want to. As many toppings. Yeah. So listen, let me know in the comments a bad experience that you had when you've ordered pizza. Yeah, and follow me, subscribe to me, like my video, and thank you for watching.